This video is made possible by Practical Defense Systems, the best online security training at the lowest prices. You can start your security career today online at pdsclasses.com. Check them out. Hi, this is Joel Persinger. I'm the gun guy. You may hear my wife in the background. She's also working online, so forgive the background noise there. I wanted to let you know that the state of California has indeed requested an en banc review of the Duncan v. Becerra case. That's the case that we're battling over the magazine restrictions that restricts you to neutered magazines of 10 rounds or less rather than standard capacity magazines. We recently had a victory in the Ninth Circuit with a 3-judge panel, and today was the deadline for the state of California to decide whether they wanted to move forward to an en banc review, which I believe is 11 judges. Now, that's going to take some time, so as a result, you still can't buy standard capacity magazines in the state of California, but hang on there because I know CRPA, Gun Owners of California, and the NRA, who's actually backing this lawsuit and spending the money on it, are going to continue the fight. So hang in there. As soon as I can get Rick Travis or Sam Paredes on the show to explain exactly what's happening and what happens next, I'll do that. But I didn't want to waste any time. I wanted to make sure that you knew, because I know I've already gotten a couple of phone calls today, people asking me what's happening. Well, what's happening is a few minutes ago, the state of California actually submitted paperwork to request an en banc review. So I'll put a link to that in the description, and as soon as I have more information, I certainly will pass it along. As soon as I can get Rick Travis or Sam Paredes or both, or maybe Chuck Michelle or somebody on the show to give us some detail, I will do that. It may take a little time, though. I suspect they're going to want to read this pleading, or whatever you want to call it, this request, and make sure that they know what they're responding to before they get on the show and talk about it. So they're going to want to be able to talk about it intelligently. So as soon as they can do that, we'll have them on. In the meantime, now you know the fight continues in the state of California for standard capacity magazines now that the state has asked for an en banc review. So there you are. Not the best news, but you know what? We're going to keep fighting, and we will win. I'm confident of that. In the meantime, wherever you go, whatever you do, be safe.